So guys, there have been some changes going on with us and in our life.
Yeah, never forget where you're coming from. King Shango set the trend. Yo, I want them. Mama.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, datmisehtv. It's your girl Diza.
Goods. Manners.
Okay guys, so by the title of this video, you will know that we are going to be talking about what's going on in our life right now, and we have a life update to give you guys, okay? So guys, you know we're transparent with you, and we talk it as it is.
I always have something for your people.
Always try to be real. Yeah. So guys, there have been some changes going on with us and in our life. Guys, all good things, all positive things, and we wanted to share it with you and make you guys be a part of, what we are.
As we said, transparency.
Yeah, definitely.
I'll let that bring you with us down.
Yeah, of course. So guys, I'm going to say this, and he doesn't know I'm going to say this, but it's really funny because we plan to do this video today to promote something that we have going on. However, I think timing is really strange how God works. I think God really works in mysterious ways, and he works on time. Sometimes they say sometimes you feel like he's not there when you want him to be there, but he's always on time. And I'm going to say this because yesterday, as many of you guys know, Outlaw drives, okay? You've probably seen him driving in some of the vlogs and everything like that. And it so happens that yesterday was his last day at work. Unsurprisingly, guys, he got up, he went to work as normal, only to be told that, you kind of, it's not because of anything he's done, but that he no longer had a job, just like that. This was yesterday. And it's so funny that today we had planned to do this video. So guys, without further ado, we want to let you know that we are venturing out into our own business, okay? Our business will be called datmisehtv Jamaica. datmisehtv Jamaica. And
never drop it.
Yes. And maybe what some of you guys know, or maybe some of you don't know, is that Outlaw is actually a licensed and certified duty driver, okay? So before the whole pandemic, before coronavirus, he used to take tourists all over the island. He used to take tourists to different excursions. He used to do airport pickups and drop-offs. But he always used to drive for other people. And it's not always easy working for other people because things happen, they let you down, and obviously the pandemic came in.
You can't do honest for them people.
Yeah.
You cannot do honest for these people.
Yeah. And he's a hard worker. He is a hard, honest, good worker. And I think we just got to the point now where we think, you know what? Like I said, he's certified, he's licensed, and why not do it for ourselves? We've tried it with other people, but now I think we're at a stage in our life where why not try it for ourselves? So guys, we are venturing out on our own. We are starting our own business. So our business will comprise of airport pickups and drop-offs. It will comprise of tours around the island, so taking guests to different excursions, different attractions. Guys, we are able to provide accommodation and car rentals if needed. So guys,
anywhere in Jamaica.
This man, he knows there's not anywhere in Jamaica that he doesn't know.
Just give me an address.
He'll take you there. So guys, we know that there are two different kind of holiday makers to Jamaica. So you've got those who are predominantly kind of like in the hotels, all-inclusive hotels. Guys, if you're an all-inclusive hotel and you still want to go to an excursion or an attraction, still do get in contact with us, because guys, our rates are going to be so much lower than what the hotels offer. We know what the hotels offer. Like I said, he used to work for the hotels themselves and for different companies. So we know what they offer, guys. We'll be happy to take you along to any attraction or excursion or tour that you want to do. Likewise, guys, we know that they're another type of visitor who is here. Maybe you want to go and visit family. Maybe you have connections here. You want to go to another part of the island. You need a driver. Likewise, we are here to do that also.
I mean, some another prayer.
Yes.
Never drop it.
Yes.
I just some people that try to swap people. They are fear number.
Yeah, so guys, if you
110%.
Yes.
Good.
So if you need any of our services, like I say, we do airport pickups, airport drop-offs. We can drop you anywhere on the island that you need to go, wait for you, and of course bring you back. If you want to do an attraction or a tour, you need accommodation, you need a car rental. Guys, datmisehtv Jamaica is here for you. Okay?
That, yes, sir.
Yes.
So we're trying to find an exit from Jamaica to Cuba, so we can drive there too. I'm trying to find that exit.
Well, Cuba is the closest country, isn't it? Next Caribbean country.
I want to go there, drive there. So I'm trying to find the exit.
So
No
when that
problem,
happens, we'll
people.
take you there. But guys, this is our new business venture, and we're really happy that we can bring this to you guys. We just ask for your support. So if any of you who are watching, who are subscribed, you know, need our services, do get in contact with us. Guys, if you know anybody, any friends or family coming down to Jamaica and they need a driver or they need somebody to take them on a tour, they need an airport pickup or drop off, we are here for you.
That
Okay?
is it. Trustworthy.
Definitely. We are in the process of getting our services advertised on TripAdvisor. Many of you will know TripAdvisor, a well-known site. So we're in the process of putting our services on TripAdvisor, so you can find us there in the next week or so. Also, guys, we do have a separate Instagram page for our services, so datmisehtv Jamaica. You can find us on Instagram. Also, guys, we're at the process at the moment of uploading some information there, so please do go over there and support us on datmisehtv Jamaica.
That, me say. Manners and prayers.
Guys, coming up we have a promotional video, so please stay and watch our promotional video, which is coming up now. Okay guys, we hope you have enjoyed that promotional video and do get in contact with us. Guys, before we end this video, I must publicly, I'm not going to say their name because I'm not sure if they want to be named, but I want to publicly thank one of our subscribers who kindly sent us a donation via PayPal. To the person, you know who you are, please check your email. We have sent you a personal message from the two of us. We are so thankful and we are so grateful. We really appreciate your cash donation through PayPal. Guys, you know, we want to bring you the best content that we can across the islands. Of course, it takes time and finance and resources. So we really, really thank you to that subscriber who, you know, found it, you know, found us worthy enough to be able to send us that donation. We really do appreciate it. We really do appreciate it.
Long life and happy living.
Definitely. Please
Good
do
health with a
check
small
your
piece of wealth.
please do check your email for the message from us. Thank you for blessing us, and we hope that in turn God returns the blessing back to you, which we know He will. We thank you.
What goes around comes around.
Of course. But guys, please do support our new business venture. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. And guys, all our information is coming up for our datmisehtv business is coming up on the screen now.
You're depending upon us, we depend upon
On you, definitely. Guys, thank you. We hope you've enjoyed this video, and as usual, please like the video. Guys, when you like the video, YouTube pushes our video and they advertise our videos on our channel even more, so please do like our video. And if you are watching and you haven't subscribed yet, why? I'm going to give you 5 seconds to subscribe. You see the subscribe button there, the red subscribe button? I'm going to give you 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Subscribed? Good. Okay, 5 seconds to like the video. If you haven't liked the video, like the video. I'm going to give you 5 seconds. Press the like button. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Guys,
thank you so much. We love you and we appreciate you. Until the next time,
give thanks for life. Manners and prayers.
If it's money, we don't talk about it, cause we don't brag about it. House on the hill, that's how we go about it.